I'll start by creating a 5 by 7 inches workspace with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. By placing embedded, I'll locate where my project files are and then select the background and place it on the canvas. In order to create a clear contrast between the foreground and background of the design, I added a little bit of blurriness to the background. For the purpose of correct visual hierarchy and attractiveness of the design, a green palm branch was added to the top and beneath the design. A little bit of Gaussian blur was added to both green palm branches to make it a part of the background. To begin with any typography, I chose Montserrat as my first typeface that will be used for the header. For the main body text, I chose Go Bold due to its ability to draw more attention to the viewer's eye. This was my favorite part as I was trying my best to add a little bit of thickness to this existing typeface. Since adding images or other elements of design play vital roles, I decided to add this particular image. With the help of the gradient tool, part of the image was blended with the background to create uniformity. In order to match the image with the background without any hindrance, the color balance available in Photoshop helped me do that. As I add more details to this design, stay back right here and enjoy some music. As we approach to the end of this video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing as this will aid me provide more content of this sort. See you other time. Bye.